Does an LLC need an EIN? Yes, most LLCs need an employer identification number, EIN, especially if they have employees, multiple members, or plan to open a business bank account. The EIN is like a social security number for your business and is used by the IRS to track taxes. Even single-member LLCs often need one for banking and licensing purposes. For example, if you want to hire staff, apply for financing, or set up payroll, you must have an EIN. Some single-member LLCs without employees can technically use the owner's social security number for taxes, but this isn't recommended since it mixes personal and business records. Having an EIN also makes your LLC look more professional and helps protect your identity. It's free to apply through the IRS, and many businesses get one right after forming their LLC to stay fully compliant. Zen Business can obtain your EIN quickly so your LLC is ready to operate without delays. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.